Print precious memories from your phone using this Liene 3-inch instant photo printer. Let us unbox and try out this amazing product. Let's start by opening the box. Inside the package, you'll find the printer with a sleek, futuristic design, a user manual, photo paper, and a charger. Before using it, make sure it's fully charged for smooth printing. It is portable, so you can easily carry it on your pocket and take it anywhere. Now, let's start printing. Unpack the photo paper and insert the entire pack into the tray. Make sure the blue smart sheet is at the bottom, with the barcode side facing down. The glossy side of the photo paper should face upward. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the printer. Download the Liene app to open it. Add the Pearl K100 printer via Bluetooth. Once connected, you can select photos from your phone and start printing. The photo paper is also a sticker, so you can stick your photos onto a notebooks. Start printing using this Liene 3-inch instant photo printer. Contact us to learn more about the product.